In this video, we're going to put together the square goodies box. It is can be also a little cookie box or a donut box. I actually made it originally. Somebody had asked for a donut box, but it has a little window so you can put any treats in it. So that's why I'm calling it the square goodies box. Whether it's candy, cookie, or donut, they're all goodies to me. So this is a real simple box to put together. So I'm just adding a couple simple boxes because I don't have many. So we're just going to go ahead and put the bottom box together first. So I'm going to use Scotch Quick Dry this time. Sometimes I use art glitter glue. But now I've already folded the bottom piece. And all we're going to do is fold up the sides and glue it inside. So I like to do, we'll just do one edge at a time. Just apply pressure like that. It's a really easy box to put together, so if you need a whole bunch of them, this would be a quick one to put together. And then we're just going to go ahead and do the other side on the same. I'm just sliding it in, so I'm matching that edge up. It's a little bit off, so let's go ahead and do that. So always use the table when you can. These are pretty big tabs, and I made them large on purpose so it would be able to hold. The purpose is to hold a some sort of gift or candy or something like that. I guess it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be an edible gift. So when I make my boxes, I typically don't make a lot of just plain boxes. They are easy. But I've had a couple requests, so I started making them here and there. I know people want them. And just be careful when you're putting glue. Make sure you don't get it too close to the edge. So that's the basic part of it. I didn't put any reinforcement. This is just a quick box, cute box that you can make. So I'm just put that to the side. So now here's the lid. So I used a pattern paper. The other side's kind of cute too, but we're going to use this. It's a double-sided paper. So make sure it's nice and. So now we're going to put together the lid. We do have a vellum piece that there's a cutout included with the file that you can go ahead and glue to the back of this before you put it down. We're just going to go ahead and glue all these panels on before we actually assemble it. So let me go ahead and do that. Again, if you have the vellum piece, what you'd want to do is glue it to this or to this, and then cover the edges with this. So now that we have this, all the panels on, so we're just going to glue it, and it's going to be on, it's just going to make this cute little box. So we're going to go ahead and put a little glue here, just like we did the bottom part. Just glue those tabs to the inside of the adjacent edges, and just make sure you line up that edge with the tab fold. You just want to make sure you hold on to it long enough for it to adhere, and or placing it against a table is always helpful to make it sturdier. So we'll do this for all 4 sides, just like we did the lid. Not the lid, the box. And there you go. Let's go ahead and get the box. So it was a nice little, like I said, donut box or cookie box. Like if you made some Christmas cookies that you wanted to give away, or for another occasion too. This would be good for any time gifting. And that's it. So if you like this video, I would appreciate a little like, a little thumbs up below, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. And I thank you so much for watching.